welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys a dumb phone. This is by Punkt and it's called the MP2. So second generation, and MP stands for mobile phone, which is nice and easy. Now, I've got the black color. They come in black and a kind of a turquoise green, between a green and a light blue color. Anyway, so I've got this myself. As if you're new to this channel, I fund everything myself, so if you appreciate that, please do subscribe to the channel. It's the only way that I can still be independent and unbiased. Let's look at the box. So as you can see, like, it kind of vanishes with the plain eye, like the writings and everything. It's really cool. Okay, that's the information in the back. Give it an open up. So they're still doing plastic, which is not nice to see. Wish they would stop, all companies. Now the box has a nice texture to it, to be honest. It's not too bad. It costs quite a bit in Australia. They are for €359. So I won't quote anything because sometimes people comment and go, oh, that's not how much it costs. Well, it costs whatever amount I quote you guys when I bought the phone. Okay, so looking at this 3 years down the track, when hopefully there's a third version of this will be obviously cheaper. So that's the phone. Okay, let's put this on the side. So SIM ejector tool. That feels nice and recycled. You get all that. And beautiful look. Use it. So you get the SIM ejector tool, and inside you just basically get a USB-C to headphones, which is nice of them to include, and USB to USB-A charging. Alright, let's put these aside for now and focus on the phone. So I like how it grips. It's not too bad at all. It's got all the information in the back. It's got a nice big speaker. Let's turn it on. Vibrated. Turn on. Where do you put the SIM? Oh yeah, there you go. That's where the SIM goes. Punkt. So what is a dumb phone? Guys, this is also called a pigeon. The reason it's called a dumb phone is because they don't track you and they don't do all the things that an iPhone, Android and all these smartphones do. And they don't constantly try and grab your attention. So what they try and do is they just try and minimize. So with this, did you guys hear the pigeon? It sounded more like a dove. But anyways, with this guy, you basically just get texts, normal text, normal phone calls, text through Signal. You get Bluetooth to listen to your music, navigation, and that's about it. But I'll let you guys know what I find. That's basically it. Okay, so what do you get? So you get your search, contacts, manage contacts. Okay, you get your messages, templates. So you'll be typing the messages the old way, which I don't know if I'm a fan of. There's a few dumb phones out there with a full keyboard. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. What do you guys think? It's nice and light, very, very light, very nice to hold one hand. I like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it, what you guys would like me to review this on and compare it to. I just got an iPhone 14 Pro. Maybe compare it against that. What do you guys think? Comment below. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.